DU135 update number 3 from a Seagull coming your way. That was a lot of water. It's everywhere. In 73 days, 37 people have raised $3,518 on the McGrath Foundation. You guys are bossing it. This is a rundown of the people who put in donations since the last update. Are you ready? Is your name here? Should be. Number 1, Maureen McDonald. Number 2, Clara and Gus Strangis. Thanks. Number 3, Hayden Quirk. Hayden Quirk. He wanted a bench press. For every $1, he wanted a kilogram on that bar. And I will prove I can do it. Hayden, next one's for you. Thanks. The other one? Yeah. Oh, Hayden, 100 presses. Number 4, Joanna Maidman, one of our runners. Thanks very much, Joanna. Love your work. Hi. Joan, Paula, James. Thank you. Coming at ya. Number 6. Marnie Grace. She's actually on my committee helping me out with all this. Cheers, Marnie. Now, this is a coincidence. The 7th donation on DU135 update number 3 is Jane and Mark Carmody. And guess how many times they've donated so far? Correct. 7. Number 8 on the list, Cindy Robbins. And Cindy, thanks for your message you put on the page. That was really nice of you. Thank you. Alan Smith, you're a legend. Thanks very much. Number 9. Number 10 on the list is the perennial donators, Mark and Jane Carmody. They're number 10 with their 8th donation. Rocking it. Cheers, guys. Hey, if you do want to donate, at the bottom here will be the portal website, https, abcd, etc. So yeah, go here, put some money to the McGrath Foundation nurses. Wicked. Still suffering from that water. I nearly breathed it in. Seagull fact time. Did you know that in many cultures, gulls are symbolic of freedom, versatility, and a carefree spirit? Hey, how good are seagulls? Got your attention. Question of the week from Angus Carmody. Angus Carmody. Angus Carmody. Angus Carmody. He asks, if Uncle Jack helps you off a horse, would you help Uncle Jack off a horse? Well, why not? He's been nice to me. You've been nice to him, surely. Oh, hold on a minute. Cut that. Carmody, you're in trouble. I'm going to tell your mum and dad. It was a disgusting question, but a good one. Alright, seriousness. I've got a few people I need to thank who have helped get this DU135 off the ground. It's got a small planning committee going. Ian Ferguson, Fergie, nice work. Marnie Grace. Got all the brains there, good on the computer. And Justine, my beautiful wife, who, by the way, I bought some pink carnations for. I thought they were great. She tells her friends they were not so great. Where's the love? Justine, where's the love? Pink carnations I would sell the 4 people who were dying. No, all joking aside, Aidan wanted 1 bench press for every $1 that he chucked in. So Aidan, this is for you. You put a massive amount of money in. I'm going to do a bench press for you. Cheers, Aidan. Joking. This is for you. 5 at 50. I want you in this gym, Aiden, doing exactly the same. You CrossFit Mary Queens. Join me here, it's tougher.